Hi, welcome back to SETC. Today we have a giant My Little Pony Pinkie Pie Play-Doh surprise egg. So let's go ahead and peel her bag to see what's inside. Okay, so up first we have a Pinkie Pie plush hanger. Oh, look how cute she is. Next we have a Shopkins Season 4 blind basket. Ooh! Let's see which two Shopkins we find in here. And here we have the super cute Petkins Big Topping. And we also have Pancake Jake. Up next we have a Zelf's blind bag. Awesome! Let's see what's in here. And we have the pearlescent Vampoola. Whoa, look how cool she is! She's got super sparkly wings. Do you like the Zelfs? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. Ooh, we also have a Disney Frozen surprise egg. And inside here is a figurine. Let's open it up and take a look. Awesome, and we have a figure of Kristoff. Do you know the name of Kristoff's reindeer? If you do, let us know in the comments box below. Up next we have a Kid Robot Yummy Desserts blind box. And in here there are some awesome keychains to collect. Fingers crossed we get one of the ice creams or the hot chocolate. Let's take a look. Ooh, and we have this piece of pie. That is so cool. And this pie is a 1 in 25. What sort of pie do you guys think this is? I'm going to go for pumpkin pie. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Okay, we also have a My Little Pony Series 1 dog tag. So let's see what's inside. So we have a Friendship is Magic decal. We have a fun tattoo, and as you can see we have Spitfire and Soarin' on it. Awesome! And our dog tag is the metallic Princess Luna. Oh my goodness, look how awesome this one is. And to the back you can see Princess Luna's cutie mark. Whoa, that is such a cool dog tag. Okay, up next we have a Playmobil Series 9 blind bag. Awesome! Let's open it up and see who we have. Oh, and we have this beautiful bride. Oh, look at her absolutely stunning wedding dress. And look at that bouquet of flowers. She is looking super beautiful. Okay, what else do we have in here? Ooh, a Series 2 My Little Pony Squishy Pops. Awesome. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. We have the Crystal Fluttershy. Whoa, just look how pretty she is. Let us know in the comments box below who your favourite pony is. Okay, we also have a Shopkins Collectible Socks Blind Bag. Ooh, let's see which socks we find in here. Awesome, we've got Strawberry Kiss. Whoa, they are so cool. Do you like Shopkins? If you do, pop a comment below and let us know which is your favourite. And we also get a super cute sticker sheet. Whoa, look at this! We have a My Little Pony Squishy Pops Bracelet Pack. Let's get it opened and take a closer look. So in this set we get a bracelet, a blue bead, a charm with Rainbow Dash's cutie mark, and we also get a Rainbow Dash Squishy Pops pony. Whoa, that is so cool! And you can remove the ponies and pop others on. So let's pop our Fluttershy one on. Oh, that looks so pretty. Next up, we have a My Little Pony Kinder Surprise Egg. Awesome! Let's see what's inside. Awesome! We have a Rainbow Dash pony. Look how cool this is. And she also comes with a little stand which has a little comb attachment, so you can comb her tail. So cool! Ooh, next we have a Lego Friends Series 6 pack. Awesome, let's get it out and build it up. And there we go, there's our super cute Lego Friends set. Look at that adorable little panda. Aww. And finally we have a My Little Pony designer pony box. And in here we have Cloud Chaser. Awesome! Let's open it up and take a look. And there we go, there's our Cloud Chaser designer pony. And there we have all of our surprises out of our giant Pinkie Pie Play-Doh surprise egg. Give us a big thumbs up if you like My Little Pony and pop a comment below letting us know which of these surprises was your favourite today. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of our new videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.